Hello?
Hello?
Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning po.
Good morning, Cha. Cha.
Hello po, ang saya-saya ko po.
Cha.
Kasi po kanina po ako tumatawag.
Cha.
Po?
Cha.
Hello po?
Hey, we just had a new rule just 5 minutes ago.
Sorry po?
We have a new rule.
Opo.
Yeah, this call should be in perfect, fluent, well-enunciated English.
Oh, all right.
Oh my God. Are you up to the challenge?
Yes, I'm into that.
All right, I'm not.
But I don't know if my pronunciation or my...
Small bit.
I don't know if my English is correct, but I will try my best.
Oh, thank you very much. I like that. I like that. Good spirit, girl. We can try to talk in pure English until we bleed.
All right.
Or maybe someone passes out, all right?
All right, sure. I'm
I
good
hope
with
that's
that.
you, not me, all right? So, Cha, where are you from?
I'm from Marikina.
Oh. Is my English correct, Kim?
Sorry?
So, how age are you?
My age is 21. No, because what I mean is I understand what you're talking about.
All right, so you're 21.
Yes.
Well, what do you do?
I'm working.
What is the job?
Sorry?
What is your job?
I'm an engineer.
Oh, really? You are in charge of the erection? Of the building, of the facility?
No, I'm a Cisco licensing engineer.
Cisco. All right.
Yeah.
That's a computer thing, right?
Yeah,
Cisco.
but actually I'm not a...
It's a computer hub, right? If I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
It's the main product, a hub, right?
Yes,
I
but
know that.
I graduated with a masscom course.
But you are an engineer.
Yeah, I don't know how does it happen. I just applied.
Are you a licensed engineer?
Cisco licensing engineer. No, we're just doing we're just giving license to the
to the poor.
No, to the network analysts who need license.
Pantawid pang ano.
Wait lang, suko na ako.
Don't give up. We can do this. Go!
Okay, go ahead. I'm willing to do this.
Oh my God. God bless your willingness.
Yes.
What happened to me?
I don't know what happened to you.
All right. So you're an engineer. All right. So, like, you're some kind of a boss in the office, like a supervisor?
No, we're just doing some stuff for just giving a license to
okay.
Yes.
So, means you belong to the rank and file. You're not supervisor, you're on the entry level, right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you belong to the category called the below job.
Maybe.
Yeah, below. If you get promoted, you belong to the middle job until you get the above job.
I hope so.
I've been working as a DJ for 11 years now, and up until today, I still belong to the below job.
I can see.
I've not been promoted, yeah. You can feel it. You can feel? How come? Really? Oh my God.
Maybe, I don't know. But I can feel. I'm just kidding.
Are you crazy?
No, I'm not. No. I'm just kidding.
English lasing.
Ay, grabe ako na. Hindi ko na kaya.
English lasing.
No, I'm sorry po kasi medyo paus ako.
Itatagal pa yung magiging paus.
Opo,
wala na makagalaman yung magiging paus mo sa grammar eh. Mukha mo.
No, kasi baka yung pronunciation ko.
Ayun. Alright, we can do this. Alright.
Yeah, I can do it. Yeah. But,
are you with someone right now? Like, you have a boyfriend?
I'm in a... may ano po ako.
Kaya mo yan!
I already have a husband.
Oh, you're married?
Yeah, civil
You're married.
Yes po. Yes.
All right, you're married. All right. How long have you been together?
4 years.
All right. 4 years.
No, we just got married when I was 20.
I think he's dying.
Natitense ako.
You just got married, right?
Yeah.
What year?
I got married last year.
Oh, 2015. Well, they say it's a lucky year to get married, but last year.
Yeah, but we have we're in a relationship for 4 years. Oh my God, nakakahiya. Engineer pa naman ako.
I wonder, what year are we gonna finish this?
No, maybe
2021, you know?
No, when I was just 20.
Yeah. They got married last year. And why are you calling the show tonight? What's the purpose of this call?
No, gusto ko lang po i-share po.
Mag-English ka.
Okay, I'll speak
English
English.
ako Donald Trump.
I'm gonna speak English right now.
All right, okay. Slow down. Gather your thoughts. All right.
Okay, because I called tonight.
Parang Miss Gay Pageant yun.
I called tonight because I want to thank DJ Kara.
You called me and you want to thank DJ Kara?
No, because di ba nagpa-partner po kayo?
You should have called her. This is her number. This is sleeping, I think, probably right now. Why? What happened?
No po, kasi po 6 months ago po kasi tumawag po ako dun sa dati po, sa Yes po. Yes po.
When she was still with
po ako ng advice
when she was
sa
still
kanya.
in the other station.
Yes, I asked her,
This is weird. You're calling my show and I've got nothing to do with your story. You called Kara when she was with the other station and Kara's not even here tonight and you're calling me.
No, I just want to share po na magti-thank you po ako. I want to thank her.
Yeah. This is her number, wait. What's her number?
Nire-replay naman po niya ako sa fan page niya. Kaya super po ako. Natutuwa po ako kasi...
No, I'm just kidding. I'll be more than willing to accommodate your this call for her. Yeah. I will tell her about this tomorrow, right?
Yes po. Pero
maybe then tomorrow I will not go to work. She can just do the program herself.
No po.
No, just kidding. All right.
Ayun po. So, yun po kasi nag-advise po kasi si DJ Kara.
Okay.
Yun po.
All right.
So, I'm so very happy lang po na very accommodating po yung ginawa niya sa then. And kayo rin po, di ba?
Hindi ako yung baka, wala akong kinalaman.
Hindi po, I mean ngayon po.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Ayun po, kasi po malaki po yung naitulong ni DJ Karas nung nung namumblema po ako sa asawa ko.
Bakit? Ako nang pakialaman, ayos na eh.
Po?
If Kara is listening right now, do you want to say anything to her?
Yes, yes po.
Yeah, in English, so she will bleed.
Hey, DJ Kara. I want to thank you because your advice is very effective.
Like luta,
Ano po? No po, kasi po, nung nakaraan po kasi nung nakikinig po ako sa inyo, di ba po heartbroken po siya?
Lagi naman, linggo-linggo heartbroken yun.
Kaya ayun po, ngayon po gusto ko parang bilang listener din po. Kaya ayun po. Kaya sana po okay na po siya. Yun po nakakatuwa po yung conversation niyo noong last time po.
I don't remember.
Yeah, I remember. Oh my God, sorry, I'm talking in Tagalog. I'm trying. Yun po. Kaya yun lang po yung ko po ngayon. Very lang po ako, happy lang po.
Well, I'm sure she will appreciate that. Let her know. I don't know if we'll see tomorrow. We'll see each other tomorrow because she'll be part of the show tomorrow. So let her know.
No, because po sa kanya nagkabalikan po kami.
Oh, really?
Nagkabalikan po kami ng asawa ko.
Okay, good for you.
Opo. Kasi ang pinakagusto ko po naging advice niya na ano po, wag daw po kaming matutulog na magkagalit.
Alright.
Ayun po. So, ginawa ko po yung ano po, yung sinabi niya nung araw na yun.
Parang
Tapos,
yung pinsan ko ganyan, nagkaawa sila, hindi natulog eh.
tapos very effective
Huwag lang
po.
magbate eh.
Talaga po.
Nagpuyat na lang.
Kasi po, ang taas po kasi ng pride ko eh. Ayun po. So, ako po yung kumausap na and then dahil po sa kanya, dahil po sa advice na gin, sabi ko, why not? Try ko yung sinabi ni DJ Cara. Tapos
Alright.
kinausap ko po siya kinagabihan. So, ayun
Buti
po.
na lang siya yung tinawagan kasi pag-hiwalay ang ending.
Hindi po, pero okay na po kami ngayon.
Alright.
Kayun po, kaya yun, nagkaroon po kami ng second honeymoon.
Ayun.
Gusto ko na nga po. Gusto ko na magka-family talaga. Wala kaming mabuo.
Gawa ka mamaya, ha?
Ano po? Wala po, busy pa po. Nasa work pa po siya.
Sige. Anyways, I will let her know and I'm sure she will appreciate that. Alright?
Yes po. I tell her din po na kinakakamustahin ko rin po siya sa fan page niya.
Alright.
Tagtuwa po ako.
Thank you very much for
Thank you po, Papa Jack.
doing the effort tonight.
Tapos pwede po ba mag-request?
Try ko po. Ano po request niyo?
Yung kanta po ni DJ Cara.
Sige, bili ka CD mo. Supportahan mo yung kanta niya, ate. Meron sa mall niyan. Bilhin mo, ha?
Okay po. Okay po.
Salamat sa pagtawag.
Welcome. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Ay. Wala pala akong kinalaman sa nangyari. I have nothing to do with what happened, but I'm sure she will appreciate it. I will let her know tomorrow. Again, mga kaibigan or people, I'm still accepting calls. And the requirement tonight is that, you should have a love problem I can help you out with. And the second and most important criteria for calling the show is you have to have the accent tonight. Okay? And the guts. And the spirit. Kailangan English tayo ngayon, eh. There's a friend here in the booth who's from New York and would love for him to understand everything that's going on right here. So after the show, we can actually ask for donation. So he can't refuse. May motibo pala ako dito. Ano daw pangalan ng ng caller? Ano yan? Kalimutan ko si Cha.